It is currently 10:30 and I'm trying to pack for my trip to Lisbon tomorrow. I have quite a few things left to do, but I just wanted to give you guys a little pre-travel like clip to see where I'm at. So right now, this is what the state of my bed looks like. I'm trying to plan out some outfits and what jacket I'm going to wear tomorrow to the airport. And then over here I have packed all of my essential skincare stuff. So I got some Tum-Tums, some cleansers, and like all of the first aid kit things over here. And yeah, I'm just trying to figure out how I'm gonna stuff all of that into, don't mind my dirty clothes, into here. So this is the luggage that I'm trying to take onto the airplane. Hopefully it fits, and it's like this little duffel bag. I brought my Crocs with me, and then here are some of my like inside clothes, and then on the bed what you saw was just what I'm gonna stuff in here. So hopefully I could get that all figured out. I think this is gonna be a really fun trip. I planned out some spots that I wanted to hit up and stuff, and hopefully I get to meet some really nice people. This is my first time ever like solo traveling, so I am kind of nervous but also excited, and I will try to vlog as much as I can. So I'll see you guys at the airport tomorrow morning and I'll keep you updated.
Not anymore available.
Hi everyone, I'm in Lisbon right now, and this is the first time that I'm checking in on the vlog because I literally just decided to do some spontaneous adventuring and go on the 28 tram throughout the city, and I didn't know what stop to get off at, so I just hopped off this random stop, and I'm trying to catch the sunset at one of the viewpoints in Lisbon. But so far the city is so pretty, guys. Like, the architecture is amazing, if you could tell from like the clips that I filmed already, and I'm excited for the 2 other days that I'm here. So more in store, and hopefully I get some food in me. I'm starving, but yeah, it's been so far so good, and I'm excited to see the rest of the city. Hi everyone, hopefully this works, but I'm basically gonna be taste testing my first ever egg tart. I don't know if this works or not. Okay, it's a little bit scented, but here it is. So let's taste test it. Cheers! Oh my god. This is completely not what I expected. So you know how like egg tarts are typically like really firm inside? This one is so soft and moist. It's really good. I'm trying to catch the sunset, so I'll be back. But that's a really good egg tart. Really, really good. Right now I'm going to be going to the Arc, which is apparently really famous, and I'll show you guys what it looks like. I was gonna try jaywalking across the street, but I don't think that's gonna work. JK, I'm gonna jaywalk across the street because there's like no cars. I'm gonna try and get some souvenirs, and then I'm gonna catch the sunrise. So hopefully that works out. So I managed to catch the sunset at the arc, but I'm gonna go up to the mountain to see if I get a better view before the sun actually sets. And this is what it looks like. It's like kind of very bright, so I don't know if you can tell, but the views here are amazing. You can see like the entire ocean, which is super cool. So I'm excited for that. Y'all, I climbed up like 10 flights of stairs. I am so tired, but the view is so pretty. Wait, let me show you guys again. Hi everyone. So I just finished dinner and walking around the city a little bit because I have another like hostel event at 9 o'clock. And it's technically a dinner, but I was so hungry that I ate already. Because apparently the Portuguese eat at like 9 o'clock at night. And I came here in the afternoon at 2 and I had one coffee in my stomach and that was it. So I couldn't resist but go to a family restaurant that sold really fresh seafood and it was really good. And now I'm just like walking around the neighborhood that my hostel's in. I walked to the famous elevator, which is really cool. And there's a lot of like fun shops and stuff like that around this neighborhood. So yeah.
Joining us. So I'll go look for them and I'll be right back. I'll leave you the wine right here and I'll be.
Hi everyone, so I'm currently in my hostel and I'm whispering because I don't know if anyone's still asleep yet. It is currently 9:06, if you guys can tell, and I'm ready to head down to get some breakfast. I am really enjoying my stay in Lisbon so far. It's been great and I've just been like walking around everywhere. Also just the views and the lighting, the sunniness, the warm weather, I think has put me in a really good mood, so I'm excited for that. As you guys can see, this is what the view looks like from the outside. It is so beautiful. That is the castle that I'm gonna go to later, and apparently it's gonna rain today, so hopefully it's not that bad. This is my outfit for today. I got on a leather jacket, a vest, a little collared shirt situation going on here, and some regular black jeans, and then I'm wearing these Nike shoes.
Like we met.
Hi everyone, so right now I am at the convent, which is pretty cool. Most of it is closed down for renovation right now, but I went inside and it was still really nice. So this is what it looks like. Very, very cool.
Ja, ja, ik had ze natuurlijk nog veel kip overlaten.
Everyone, so right now I am at this really cool factory marketplace called Alex Factory, and apparently it's like a little artsy district, which is really nice. And I don't know, it was raining the whole day today, and finally the sun came out, so I'm with a few hostel friends and just checking out the neighborhood. It's super pretty, and hopefully I can bring back some really fun souvenirs, so we'll see about that. Kind of thirsty right now, so I want to get like a coffee, but aside from that, yeah, I'm excited to check out what this neighborhood slash district has in store. It's kind of chilly, but still warmer than Paris, so it's a nice walking weather today. Hi everyone, so I finally find a spot to sit down and, you know, vlog my day, but it is currently my third day in Lisbon. I checked out and I have my flight at 6 p.m. so there's still a few hours for me to kind of explore Lisbon a little bit more. The weather is so nice today, so over the past few days, so I arrived here on Tuesday and it was sunny, and now it was rainy and cloudy yesterday, and now the weather is really nice. So I'm just gonna try and hit up a few spots today. For my last day in Lisbon, I'm trying to go to the Castle St. George, also the flea market, kind of check it out and show you guys around during my last few days here. And I think my battery's okay, I kind of spoke way too soon. My battery died before I could finish my sentence, but basically right now I am walking around and trying to get to the castle, and all the streets here are just so pretty. I want to show you guys. So this is what it looks like right now. I just love how all of the buildings are like different colors, and the sun really reflects off of them, so it's so pretty. Hi y'all, so I finally made it to the castle and I'm gonna head up and see how much the tickets are. But this place is so pretty. I look so exhausted right now because I literally climbed up like 5 flights of stairs to get to the top of this hill. But look at the view! So I can't wait to see the panoramic views from like the top of the city, and I can't wait to show you guys as well. So hopefully you guys could hear me because I'm talking like kind of low right now. But yeah, I'm excited to show you guys. To the castle, there was a long line to get in, but thankfully I was able to use the vending machine and then get my tickets. They were on strike today, so that was interesting. But other than that, the views here are so beautiful, and I've just been sitting here for the past couple minutes, like soaking everything in. I feel like the camera does not do it justice because just like the panoramic views of the city are so nice. And I'm solo traveling, so there's no one with me right now, but even so, I think I've been really enjoying it so far. In the background, you could tell this is like the little plaza that they have. And yeah, I mean, I came in from like right over there, like the ticketing booth, and right in front of me, you guys are not gonna believe it. Just take a look. Like, this is the view right now that I'm sitting in front of. Like, I am in awe and just like, it's a little bit chilly today, but it's still really nice. So yeah. That's where I am right now. I'm gonna take a little walk and go over to the actual castle part of it now. So that'll be really fun and interesting. But like in the background, it's like so backlit, but you could tell that there's like this little city area here, and it's like all of these cute little like red houses, like red roofed houses, and then in the very back it's the bridge that's very similar to the San Francisco like Golden Gate Bridge, and there's this thing that kind of reminds me of the Rio de Janeiro like monument, but I know it's obviously not because we're in Lisbon, but it's so beautiful.